Hello, my friends. I've got a joke for you to kick things off. Why did the chicken join a band? Because it had the drumsticks. Now, on a more serious note, I've been practicing OMAD for almost 10 years now, and today I welcome you to my Saturday of one meal per day. Today, we're whipping up a feast featuring chicken breast, broccoli, eggs, bell peppers, onions, garlic, turmeric, ginger, leek, and walnuts. A symphony of flavors and a powerhouse of nutrients, all in one. First, the chicken breast, tender and juicy. Broccoli, a green delight packed with vitamins. Eggs, a protein-rich staple. And speaking of what did the chicken breast say to the chef? Don't grill me, I'm already tenderized. Bell peppers and onions add a crunch and color, while garlic, turmeric, and ginger lend a touch of spice and a host of health benefits. Don't forget the leek, a subtle hint of sweetness, perfectly balancing out the flavors. Finally, walnuts for a satisfying crunch and a boost of omega-3. Once this meal is savored and enjoyed, we begin a 20-hour food hiatus. No solids, just drinks without carbohydrates. Hydrate with water, green tea, black coffee, keeping the body nourished and refreshed. This is my today's Saturday's OMPD, a journey of culinary delight and with few calories. Enjoy the deliciousness and embrace the autophagy. Remember, it's not just about eating less, but eating right, without feeling full and losing weight. Until tomorrow, relish the taste and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Short break. Thank you and have a nice day.